Andy from Flushmate here. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the flush valve cartridge and get that unit to pressurize. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. For this job, you'll need a pair of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver or 1/4 inch nut driver. The quick mate wrench can also be used in place of pliers. Always be sure to use only genuine Flushmate replacement parts. If the Flushmate unit is not setting up, the first thing to check is the clearance between the flush rod and the cartridge actuator. There should be at least 1/8 of an inch of clearance, or about the thickness of a nickel, between the flush rod and the actuator. You don't want more space than this. If you have a universal handle kit, you'll want to make sure the flush lever is aligned with the two sides of the flush frame. Lift up on the center flush lever and make sure there is at least 1/8 of an inch of clearance here too. If you have insufficient clearance between the actuator and flush rod, or the UHK or universal handle kit, the cartridge will need to be adjusted. Turn the water supply to the toilet off by turning the handle clockwise or to the right. Flush the toilet. This will relieve the pressure in the Flushmate vessel. Disengage the flush rod from the handle linkage by lifting up on the flush rod and moving it away from the handle linkage. Swing the flush rod out of the way to access the cartridge. If you have the universal handle kit, press down on the center flush lever and pull the white barrel forward and swing the flush lever up and towards the back of the tank. Now remove the set screw from the center of the actuator cap and unthread the actuator cap. Insert the plier handles or quick mate wrench into the fins of the cartridge and turn counterclockwise or to the left and unscrew the cartridge. Once the cartridge is loose, you should be able to remove it from the vessel. With the cartridge removed, inspect the inside of the vessel seal surface and make sure there's no sediment or debris. With the cartridge removed, turn the water supply all the way on. A steady flow of water should be seen inside the bottom of the vessel. This will make sure any debris or sediment is rinsed away from the seal surface. Let the water run for 10 to 15 seconds and turn the water supply off. With a clean seal surface, we're ready to reinstall the cartridge. Place the cartridge into the vessel and rotate the cartridge counterclockwise while pushing down slightly until the threads of the vessel and the threads of the cartridge click into place. This will ensure the cartridge is not cross-threaded during the installation process. Turn the cartridge clockwise until the top of the first vessel thread is seen at the sides of the cartridge. Next, turn the water supply on all the way. Opening the valve all of the way is crucial for operation. Turn the flush cartridge in quarter-turn increments with your plier handles, pausing 5 seconds between each turn. You must pause in between each turn. Continue adjusting the cartridge in quarter-turn increments until there is an audible sound change in the incoming water flow and water stops flowing into the toilet bowl. The vessel should begin to pressurize. Do not turn the cartridge anymore while the vessel is pressurizing. Allow the water to become completely silent inside of the Flushmate. Once the vessel has pressurized, press down on the valve stem to flush the toilet. After flushing, the unit should refill and pressurize within 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat this process once more to ensure the cartridge is adjusted properly. Screw the actuator cap onto the valve stem, then reattach the flush rod to the handle linkage. Adjust the actuator cap until there is a gap about the thickness of a nickel, or 1/8 of an inch, between the actuator and flush rod or UHK universal handle kit flush lever when gently lifting on either actuation system. Once this clearance is achieved, reinstall the set screw to lock the actuator in place. Now flush the toilet using the handle. The toilet should flush and the unit should refill and shut off within 30 to 60 seconds. The cartridge adjustment is now complete. For other how-to or troubleshooting videos, visit flushmate.com/resources. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.